Welcome back to the channel, investors. Today is April 16, 2025, and we've got a lot happening on the financial markets. Let's dive into the top movers, breaking news, and key events you should watch right now. Global markets have been riding a wave of volatility in the last few days. On Wall Street, stocks rebounded from recent slides, driven by upbeat corporate earnings and hopes that the U.S. Federal Reserve will pivot to a more dovish stance after some softer economic data. In Europe, the FTSE 100 and other indexes are showing early strength as investors digest mixed inflation numbers and look ahead to central bank announcements. Meanwhile, Asia's markets are catching a tailwind, especially in tech, after positive surprises from major U.S. tech firms. The biggest story today: U.S. Producer Price Index data. This key inflation report could heavily influence the Fed's interest rate outlook and shake risk assets. In the UK, jobs data is under the microscope. Any sign of softness may fuel speculation of interest rate cuts from the Bank of England later this year. There's also plenty of earnings action, with major names like Johnson & Johnson and Bank of America moving the needle in the US. Watch for sector rotation. Defensive stocks may remain strong, while China-exposed companies could face turbulence amid ongoing trade tensions. The pound and Aussie dollar are climbing as the US dollar cools following chatter of a potential Fed pivot. Gold and the Japanese yen remain in demand as safe havens, while oil prices continue to bounce on mixed demand signals from China and OPEC. Here's what could move markets later today. A hotter-than-expected U.S. inflation report might trigger another sell-off in stocks, especially growth names. Signs of weakness in UK jobs could weigh on the pound, but support the FTSE's more defensive stocks. Watch for any surprise statements from global central banks. Policy clues could move currencies and bonds quickly. Here are 3 things investors should consider today. 1. Stay diversified and defensive. Keep some exposure to safe haven assets like gold or low volatility stocks. 2. Have cash ready. Volatility can create quick opportunities. Don't be afraid to step in if you see quality stocks at a discount. 3. Watch sector momentum. Tech and healthcare have shown resilience, but sectors sensitive to trade or inflation could see sharp moves. That wraps up today's Investor's Guide. Stay alert as the data comes in. And remember, the best investors stay informed and flexible. If you found this update helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more daily insights. Drop a comment below. What's your top concern in the markets today? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily market updates.